Ever wondered how a product reaches you from its raw material state? It's not magic, but a meticulously planned process known as the supply chain. This journey, although invisible to most consumers, is a vital component of our daily lives, impacting everything from the price of goods to the availability of products. In essence, a supply chain is a network of entities, each playing a critical role in the creation and delivery of a product. This network includes manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, and retailers, all working in harmony to ensure that the product reaches your hands smoothly and efficiently. The journey begins with raw materials. These are the basic components needed to create a product. For example, to make a book, one would need paper, ink, and glue. Suppliers are responsible for providing these raw materials, which are then transferred to the manufacturer. Manufacturers are like the chefs of the supply chain. They take the raw materials and transform them into the final product. In our book example, the manufacturer would print the text onto the paper, bind the pages together, and add a cover to create the finished book. Once the product is made, it doesn't just teleport to the store shelves. Here's where distributors come into play. They transport the products from the manufacturers to various retail locations. This could involve shipping the product across oceans, flying it across continents, or driving it across town. Finally, we reach the retail stage. This is where you, the customer, come into the picture. Retailers, such as bookstores in our example, display the product, setting a price and selling it to customers. But remember, each step of this journey is interconnected. If a supplier fails to deliver the raw materials on time, it delays the manufacturer. If the manufacturer gets delayed, the distributor can't deliver the product to the retailer on time. And if the retailer doesn't receive the product when expected, you, the customer, are left waiting. To ensure the smooth flow of products, companies invest considerable resources in managing and optimizing their supply chains. They strive to predict and prevent disruptions, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. This not only leads to happier customers, but also improves the company's profitability. So the next time you pick up a book, or any product for that matter, spare a thought for the intricate web of processes that brought it to your hands. From raw materials to the finished product on the store shelf, it's a journey that's as fascinating as it is complex. In summary, the supply chain is a vital process that connects manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, and retailers, ensuring that products reach customers efficiently and effectively. It's a complex network that companies constantly strive to optimize, as it directly impacts their success and profitability. Thank you for your time. Remember to subscribe for more fascinating insights.